ABC6 weather with meteorologist Tyler Hughes. Brought to you by the Preserve Sporting Club and Resort.
Well, good Wednesday morning to you. Today, September 10th, is actually the climatological peak of hurricane season in the Atlantic. You see, hurricane season runs all the way from May 1st until the end of November, and the peak isn't right in the middle. That's because it takes some time for the oceans to kind of warm up and give the tropical systems the energy that they need to form. And so today is when we normally see the most hurricanes and tropical cyclone activity in the Atlantic. And look at this. Nothing to speak of in the tropics right now. A few areas of disorganized thunderstorm activity, but the National Hurricane Center says none of these will be forming into any named storms over the next 7 days. Part of the reason for that is some Saharan dust that's coming off of Africa, kind of inhibiting the ability to form storms in the Atlantic right now. So we've only had 6 named storms so far this year, only 1 hurricane in the Atlantic. That would be Erin, the hurricane that moved offshore of the East Coast, bringing high surf and rip current risks to us here in New England. But we still have plenty of hurricane season left to go. And if you recall last season, some of the strongest storms were in the back half of hurricane season. Hurricane Helene and Hurricane Milton, which both made landfall in the U.S. So we'll keep a close eye on things for you, but so far, so good. It's quiet for now. Temperatures outside right now are sitting in the 60s, even the 50s for the most part, but lots of clouds around. That's the story today. 60 degrees in Providence, 55 Smithfield, 61 Westerly, and 62 in Newport right now. These clouds stick with us all day long, and so that doesn't really allow temperatures to climb that much. Notice we stay in the 60s all day long. That's well below average for this time of year. And winds could be gusty at times as well, anywhere from 15 to 20 miles per hour this afternoon. So keep that in mind, much like yesterday afternoon too. We do have a chance for a spot shower, especially along the south coast. So keep in mind you may see a shower, some drizzle throughout the day today, but that chance is honestly pretty low, and you wouldn't see more than 1/10 of an inch of rainfall as a result of that. All of us will see the cloud cover through the day today, though. Eventually, overnight tonight, though, those clouds will begin to thin out and decrease pretty quickly. That will allow low temperatures to drop into the 50s. And tomorrow is shaping up to be a much different day than today. We have the area of low pressure that's bringing the cloud cover. That moves away tomorrow, and this big blue H here, high pressure, moves in, and that will allow us to warm up quite a bit tomorrow. It is short-lived, though. We have this cold front that drops in from the south. Very weak cold front, so no rain along with it, but that means we cool off heading toward the end of the week. How much? Well, we're in the upper 60s today, upper 70s, close to 80 degrees tomorrow, and then we're back into the lower 70s for the end of the week. The good news is, though, we keep the sunshine at least through Friday and Saturday. Saturday, my pick of the weekend, but then Sunday we begin to see some clouds increasing once again, and it looks like the start of next week could be a bit unsettled. Cara?
Thank you so much.